we go because of the way everybody they clamor. Even me myself they clamor because it they affect me badly.
Aye.
Light no day, petrol no day,
Okay.
food don't cost,
Aye.
gas don't cost,
Oh, where man?
kerosene na die,
Eje
diesel
kwege.
na no go area,
Elekwere gungo.
road no good, and a lot of things.
Aye.
But basically, I won't let you know, say, now we will be Nigerians, now we they take our hands, they do our self. Because since them born me, no government will don't agree say good. Yes, I stand to be corrected. Every government will see we pursue them. But I want to remind you now because it don't read. And if to say I see Flector Man music, it don't read. You go there for YouTube, we go find Nakam.
Yes.
It don't read. In 2014, people protest.
Yes.
Say fuel go up.
No be smart
Say fuel go up.
Yes.
Say insecurity. A lot of other things.
Okay.
Before you know, prominent Nigerians.
Yes.
Those men where we respect.
Where?
People like Patu Tommy them. Actors like Jide Kosoko them.
Okay.
Lawyers like Femi Falana them.
All right.
A lot of people. People like Wole Soyinka them.
All right.
They enter street
Okay.
with serious protest. They tell you different placards then say remove corruption and not subsidy. Bring back our girls.
Okay.
Save Nigeria.
Yes.
And a lot of many. You understand?
Okay.
Confirm. All right. As I tell you, fuel then was 67. Then they say make fuel come down to 65.
All right.
As I talk to you, so I still dey look the placards where people carry that time.
Okay.
Say make fuel come down to 65.
Okay.
Yes. Say 65 per liter or revolution.
Okay.
And as they try to read some of those things, so that time fuel be 65 naira. 67 naira. But people they shout, they provoke. Say fuel must come down to 65. You know, a lot of protests, different people. I'm telling you, enough is enough.
Okay.
Both women, both children, both prominent Nigerians,
okay.
Everybody, then protest. At the end of the day, even Aisha Yesufu, you know, as I talk this thing, I they look the pictures. Make it not be like say I they talk with you, I don't know.
All right.
You know, a lot of prominent Nigerians then stand for forefront.
Yes, sir.
Even labor. Labor then self join. You know, today we won. They achieved their aim.
Yes.
Then they achieved their aim. But I want to ask how market today. So then fuel be 67. Oshobaba they among. They see their pictures. That's why they call their name. You know. So then succeed. The bros where they power come out.
Okay.
You know. So how market today? Oh yeah, you go begin to tell me how much be fuel now after we don't do that massive protest.
Okay.
Even the hunger self, no let us get voice to sing again. All right, as I tell you, welcome back on top our normal town hall meeting for evening. Yo. I tell you, say now we will be Nigerians. They take our hands, do ourselves. We know they ever they contented, and I also try to read the names of people where they see for picture on top that. Save Nigeria protest where they do way back. I tell you. Yes, I can't even shock.
Okay.
I see somebody where they talk well now.
Yes.
I see Sheung.
Okay.
Sheung Kuti.
Kuti.
Instead they part of the people.
And the day they
I dey see Dede Mabiaku. I dey even see Banky W. I don't know how I go tell the waka. I dey tell you. I dey see Pastor Tunde Bakari.
Okay.
I dey see late Odumaki.
Okay.
Yinka Odumaki. I dey tell you. Not be. I beg. That's a type of picture of Save Nigeria Group 2014. You go see them.
Dino them.
I dey see Dino Milai. I dey see Erufai. I dey see Wale Soyinka.
All right.
I'm telling you, not be play. All these people, now them shout. I dey see some prominent papas.
Yes, so.
I don't know this man's name, but I know the man's face.
Yes.
You know? I don't know his name, but I know his face. A lot of people.
Okay.
I dey tell you. So for that 2014, fuel, na 67 naira co.
I will see some way.
Yes. All right. Now make we leave them for Nigerians.
Okay.
Tell us the price where things did that time and compare the price with the present now. And where all these people we talk that time say Nigeria no good, where then they? Where then they? Then they talk, abi they know they talk. All right, give
those of una wey be say
from many angles now, both Twitter,
yes,
both Facebook,
just
telephone, and
drop your message on top #evening oyoyo #evening oyoyo on top Twitter, and don't forget to say our Twitter na at Wazobia FM, and I saw the matter take be at Wazobia_FM, and I saw the matter take be. All right, make we hear people them where they line because that phone now bust the boss.
Oh yeah, now the phone they bust. I beg, give us the price of that time where all these people come out to say Nigeria no good and give us the price of now. So where those people will say Nigeria no good,
make them save Nigeria.
How far? How market? Where them? Oh yeah, I know they hear them talk. Who did here? We throw a salute. We throw a salute for this evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, oh yeah, madam, welcome.
I'm Ojota from Ojota.
All the way from Ijedodo.
Yes, so the market is no good at all.
Oh yeah, give us price, give us price that time and now.
Better. Now the fuel now, na 200 naira. Kerosene now, na 450.
Kerosene? For one bottle or for 1 gallon?
Yes, 1 liter.
Hey, 1 liter?
Yes,
450 naira, 1 liter.
50 naira. When you even put up for stove, before you know it don't dry.
That time now how much? That time crazy now how much?
That time it is cheap now. At least that time would they buy 50 naira now.
50 naira now 450.
Yes. Then people know they even buy them. They know they buy them. So now, it's no good at all. It's no good at all.
All right. Thank you very plenty. Now the one where you fit remember. Who did here? We throw a salute.
Expensive is chef.
Any other one that must say can't tap it.
Agwaturu
Turu de Libo.
Agwaturu ngwere.
Turu okoko.
My black beauty.
Make I hear that for your mouth.
Oh, yo.
You know, the two of you now, man, malam.
Mommy V, go straight to the point before I sack you.
I make you go back on. Forget your helicopter there. Carry your leg, they go out.
Before I sack you.
Yes,
because you not use the way drive and come back. You for live and there.
With the sack person, no, let us sack you.
Let me go sack on herself. Even Nigeria don't sack Nigeria.
Man, she done the smoke.
I smoke. Where we see, this country, So I see people who are going to say this country gives, say even 1 naira or even 1,000 naira too plenty, 250. Let them pay me the money.
It's okay.
Everything for this country. I don't know whether I could tell and say Nigeria is a Bangladesh. They are Bangladesh.
No speak English, you know, Sabi. Come off.
Man, no speak English.
Come off.
Lagos.
Na Bangladesh.
See him face. They go they do face painting for where adults.
You know, I live with that day from Bokono go. Solid, they can't do conductor. You know, even that they shadow self. They can't. I live when I come. I go thank you that you drive when I go out.
Old mama, we go do face painting.
She fine.
In the presence of
she fine.
You get luck for lose up for two of you. Make
she fine.
Cripple you and Solid.
Anyhow, Mommy Vicky there, I love her.
I don't love you.
She's beautiful.
All right. Okay, who did here? We throw away for this evening.
Oga Solid.
We salute you.
Good evening, sir.
Nothing does you.
Yeah, this is Brother Paul from Egbeda.
Oh, yeah. Salute.
Brother Paul.
Salute the general.
General Badman.
I
good
deal with
evening.
you. I deal with you.
I'm always happy to hear two of you. Let me tell you the truth. Okay?
Oh, yeah, now let's go.
Okay. The truth is that without Nigeria Info and Wazobia, so many of us would have vanished from this planet Earth. Because when you leave your house in the morning, you come back under stress. No light, no water, no road, no security, no food to eat. It's only turning to Wazobia, Nigeria Info. You will hear some certain things that will give you encouragement and make you laugh. That is just, and I always pray that God will keep you people and bless whoever that founded these radio stations and make his life prosperous in Jesus' name.
Amen. No.
Now, coming to the matter.
Yes.
You see, there is something fundamentally wrong with including me, a black man. We hate truth and we are self-centered. Every man that asks Uncle J.E.J. to leave has something personal for themselves, not for the benefit of the Nigerian people. All those people you mentioned there were looking for something for themselves, and they got it. And that is why they are not talking today. What that woman said is absolutely correct. A liter of kerosene is $4.50 right now.
I don't know because I know they use kerosene. That's why I shout.
Yeah. How did I get to know? The other day, I entered Marwa because there was no fear for me to drive. Then the woman that we were sharing, the woman said that it is better God kill her over the night. That I'm telling you, sir, God is a witness. The woman was lamenting inside Marwa that she wants to die, that God should come and take her. Then I said, Madam, what is the problem now? You are a young woman. Why are you asking God for death? He said she went to buy a kerosene because she doesn't have money for gas. So she said, okay, let her rush and buy kerosene so that she can make small things for the kids when they return back from school. And she got there, they told her $4.50. $4.50, if she buys 2 liters, that is 900 Naira. And that cannot even prepare
the food.
The food and the morning time. So she cried out, she was crying. She was asking God to kill her.
Jesus Christ.
I am telling you, I wept inside Marwa, honestly. Had it been that I had physical cash in my pocket, I would have given her. God bear me witness, I was only having my ATM. The life is, oh my God. You see, if these people that call themselves leaders, because we didn't elect any of them to be leaders, these people that parade themselves as Nigerian leaders, we never elected them. They elected themselves and imposed themselves on us. And they're doing whatever. Nigeria is under a siege. That is, the elite have seized this country. And there is nothing we can do about it. Because when you go and vote, they determine and decide who wins. When you go on the road to do a peaceful protest, you are shot and you are killed. And nothing comes out of it. So everybody is afraid, and the black man does not want to die. He goes back to his room. So, in fact, it's a pitiful way in a very, very dangerous time. Hello?
Yes, we do with you.
And I am asking, let this 2023 be a time for the PVC to work. And the politicians should please, for the sake of tomorrow, allow the PVC to count 2023 because we are tired. These people need to be retired. Gas, I bought gas last week. I bought it 8,000 Naira, 12 kg, 12.5 kg, 8,000. against 2015 election, I was buying it, I think 2005 or 1008 thereabouts. Now it's 8,000 naira. A bag of rice, I was buying it 6,000. I remember that within my street during festivity, I used to dash out bags of rice, maybe 5, 3, 4 or thereabouts. And then I was buying it 5,800, 6,000. But this December, the rice I bought, I took to the village, each of the bag was 32,000. So you look at it, there is nothing is changing in this country. Things are getting worse. For the past 2 weeks now, no light. I have been burning fuel. My wife's office, they're using the. I went to the bank today to do some transaction. I was asking them, why are they saying that they can't offer ATM card? Do you know what they told me? They say every bank now is shutting down their electricity due to high cost of a diesel. I am telling you, in the bank today, one of the leading banks in Nigeria.
I go bank yesterday now. I know if you do what I want to do. I say everything shuts down.
Everything shut down. What is... And these people are telling us their leaders. Leading who?
All right.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you very plenty. All right. You see, as I dey see the picture, me I dey do my own research. And these people no go fit hide, say they no join face. Say when fuel na 67 naira, they do protest.
Here now.
They say they no want time. Now, how much be fuel? Femi Kuti, how market? Because see your picture. You wear kill corruption and not Nigeria. You see, I thank God, say, videos and
Sharply, they say kerosene no be 450 or say na 550.
550.
Like too many people where they here now don't talk, say them buy them. The last time, 1 liter, 550.
We they come.
All right, make we just enter market.
We they come. All right, why you know talk the talk and die the die. Go rest for life. We not go continue to dey hide our face or hide our mouth. You know. All right, as it be like this, people like Banky W, I beg, if you see us and say how market.
Okay.
Femi Kuti, Sheun Kuti.
All
all
right.
of una they protest. Say una be freedom fighter, but una they that level for that time. So how market now?
Okay.
You understand? They Mabiaku, how market? Wole Soyinka, how market?
Yes.
Even Joe Dumaki with
Yes,
his husband,
so,
how market? Pastor Tunde, how market? Jidoko Soko, how
right.
market? All right. I beg, make una they give me price of things.
Musicians them plus
Plenty na them,
including
plenty.
comedians.
Yes, comedians, many of them, plenty. They plenty. Now, the thing where they pain me.
Huh?
Now things. How much for naira to dollar that time? How much now? All of them that time we can't do gara. Now all of them go hide there. Why must you hide your face? Or you hide your faces? Come out now. At least you fight for something, you achieve them, and the results don't come out. Why una they hide una face or una faces? Make una come explain to us wetin be the achievement where una achieve on top the level, because this suffer they touch everybody. People there for line. Who they there? Who they there? I believe everybody they enter market. You go get one or two things. Yes, I dey hear you.
Good evening, sir.
Evening, this confirm evening.
I beg, credit no there. Now because of that crazy, I buy last week for Sabo garage to do 600 naira.
Okay.
You buy am 600. How much you dey buy kerosene before?
It's from it. You know, it reach 100 naira. Later, from there they are increasing it. This one now that I buy last week.
600 per 1 liter.
Yes, some people even go back. Some people throw away the rubber and go back. That buy anything.
All right. Okay.
All right. Dino Milaye, how market? How market? How market? Erufai, how market? Pat, Utomi. You know, so you get one TV program they do, Patitos Gang that time. We are back. I mean, how they talk am?
We are back.
We are back. How market now?
Are you back or are you still protesting?
Because I surprised say una no dey talk, una can't go dey hide. Why una go hide? History don't write una name down now. Yes. Women now said they buy kerosene for 600 naira.
Okay.
Per liter. Hey, yeah.
All right.
Who did here? We throw a salute.
Hello, Mochi Nigeria flag.
Yes, don't tell me price. I don't tell you about Nigeria flag. Nothing concern me with it.
First change our flag first before talk the price.
If you no want talk, I go come out you for line. I no come here, come play. Who did here? Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Evening.
Are they great now?
Well, so my brother, how you dey?
I'm fine.
Oh yeah, now let's go.
Yeah, the thing where you talk that time. Those people where you talk say no, then go Ojota where they mention their name. Do you know that one of your presenters said one thing? He said those people that went to Ojota and they call her my daughter, maybe Ojota. So he said they went maybe to stage.
You say what?
Saying anything tangible.
You say what?
They were doing. That they were not saying anything tangible. That all what they were doing, the musicians went there to promote their music. If you record what they did in that place before Army chased them away, if you record what they did, I don't think you will see a very good statement from any of them, especially the musicians that we are talking about.
Now, see, you don't see the T-shirt where they wear.
They wear those ones. And,
all now the same protest
you want
now.
To tell me that actions voice.
Now,
my brother.
Now the same protest.
Not be like that.
For the sake, he said the person go there stand. Make the crowd plenty. The person is part of that.
Of it, okay.
Yeah.
Well, what I'm trying to
all right now.
Are calling them. Okay.
Now, see, I won't tell you what in right for the shirt. Kill corruption and not Nigeria. The corruption now, they don't kill them. No. The corruption, they don't kill them.
I'm coming. Hold on. You didn't even allow me to complete this part. I'm aligning myself. What I'm trying to tell you is that what they went there to do, they didn't go there of anybody. They just went there in their own name. So all what you said, the look at names you are calling. Ever since that time, all of them went back into their shares. All of them are seeing what's happening to this government. I don't even talk anything. I never even hear any of them speak like the professor you mentioned. I can't remember 3 times he spoke during this administration. And even up till now, they are still promoting this administration that is the best that Nigeria has. Do you know what's expensive? All the town hall meetings you are doing are quite happy. But let me tell you where it's going to have a block. The regional division among Nigerians, that is where the issues are. If you go to the all these things where they talk for radio, I will count how many Northerners on this radio. I can count because I've been with this radio since OBJ. So what I'm trying to say is that if we don't go back to regions and let people go and govern themselves, it's one Nigeria, so one person expensive to come to govern all the when the Northerners did not agree with you, the Westerners did not agree with you, or the did not agree with you. So all those ones, not being with the fine now, all these elections, where would they talk? 50 million in the East. 50 million cannot secure your win. You must have up to not less than 3 million. About 3 million votes or what more than that before you can even win 12 million, thank you. Before you can even talk of winning the election in Nigeria or 13 million. So the core Northerners are not even privy to all these things wrong with the equal naturality. We're just speaking grammar. You understand? So we're not talking, but the best is that if you say all this is if you're not a pay me, I'm lying. Because 1 million naira today, just like 1,000 naira. It doesn't buy something today, buy tomorrow, buy next tomorrow. I think so they go down to 600. And not say like 400 don't come out already. This one I will not be saying I project you. I've been asking one of my brothers, who is going to bring back cement price to 1.6? Leave it to make it not be 800 again. Who is going to bring and all the rest? Look at the foreign rights, they say we want to promote our own. The foreign one now dominate everywhere and it's still very expensive. The local one, people know where to be found because of insecurity. Nobody's even farming. You understand? Something that you are calling those people say, make when I come out from a shell and come and see what you planted do. Oh yeah, harvest time don't reach you. I'm quite call you are calling. That's what
All
I'm
right.
trying to let you know.
Oh,
So
yeah,
that
now.
is exactly the thing I'm talking.
No shaking.
I'm happy the way they are treating defection now, so that the people can stay one place instead of your own problem, put another person problem. You know, like PDP, you go to APC, want to follow you to APC for what?
All right.
So now, if you go on your. Let's wait for Supreme Court to pass that judgment. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. And when we come back, we go continue. I dey see Mohammed Gani Fawemi instead of day. You know? All right, and it be like say I see Uche Wanyocha. It be like say I never sure.
No.
Make her look the picture where.
She did studio.
She dey studio.
Na studio she did.
I dey look. I dey now from picture. If you hear your name, now picture. Picture not the lie. You know, 2014 price compared to now. How market? How far? Make una dey. We want me una come outside. Come dey talk. Me una come dey talk because it don't read. Oh yeah, now we dey come back. No touch your radio. All right, corruption fight for Nigeria. Nobody don't go for jail. Now so African China, my brother from another mother. Now so he take a talk, and we can't begin to ask small question. When you compare prices of food stuff, you compare prices of petroleum product, you compare the value of Naira to dollar, 2014 and now. You understand? You think say those protesters then they achieve anything? And why you think say now they know they talk either way? Whether to say yes, so thank God that our protest he helped this country, or that our protest he no work. Why you think say those protesters no they talk? I beg you, where you did there, where you dey hear us for this evening, begin to compare your prices, make you they tell us the one where you know whether now from 2014, whether now from 2015, how much you they buy gari, how much you they buy fish, and compare to how much you they buy them now, how much you they change dollars when you know, and how much you they change them now, how much you they buy all the products where they use do your businesses, and how much you they buy them now. Somebody talk say a container of 40 feet, a container of 40 feet before. In the clearam for 3.5 million.
Okay.
And a container of 20 feet, he declare them for 2 million. But now, the container of 40 feet, he declare them for 8 million. And a container of 20 feet, he declare them for 5 million presently. And if na electronic product you carry, na 11 million. No. Hi! I they tell you. So, how market? How market? People there for line.
All right.
Who they there?
Hello.
Yes, who? Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Thank you. Welcome to town hall meeting where we dey talk as it be.
Mr. Ani AGK speaking.
AGK Ekweme.
Yeah. As we just speaking. Days ago. So when we want to clear one bell.
Yes.
One bell.
Or for Krika.
No. Senator material.
Okay.
Then it's 96 to 100,000. Now, if you want to clear one bell, it's 500 and something thousand.
Wait, I don't understand. When you want clear one bell before, now between
Yes.
96,000.
96,000 to 100,000.
Now.
Yes, but now it's 500 and something thousand naira.
500. How much you want to sell the cloth now?
That is the problem now.
Hey.
That is the problem. So this country, I don't know what is happening. So before, people have been shouting, government is not good, government is not good. It is now that government is worse, that people supposed to be shouting. I can't see anybody on the road.
Now what?
So I don't know.
All right.
I don't. That person that give you about the container of
yes
20 feet and 40 feet is telling you nothing but the truth. He's telling you nothing but the truth. So if you enter inside market now, if you enter inside market that you want to buy something, there is a fabric that we are buying at the cost price 1,000 naira before. That now the same fabric is 2,500 naira. The cost price.
All right.
So, Mr. Spencer, tell me where we are going. Me, I don't know.
All right. Now be me go tell
Thank
you where they go.
your mouth no go pay now.
I mean, just ask your neighbor, say how market, because he follow that time. Eh? All those people will go just ask them simple question, how market?
Expensive, eh?
Yes.
Pure water never cost before. Thoughts never cost before. But now, what is happening? One pure water now, some area you go, they tell you 20 naira. So, I don't know. Where are we going?
All right.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Now, thank you. Don't enter our Twitter, will be #evening oyoyo. Now, this person now they ask Reverend Father Mbaka.
How market?
How market?
Inside follow for the protest that time.
The point, that time, some countries where people
okay,
talk.
more they read it, this thing. He say this
that time, everything easy. I remember, say, gas,
3 kg.
3 kg, and around 500 to fill am. Now, 6 kg, na 4,000. You know, good. In 20 November 2014, some prominent people they get up. They protest against good luck, Ebele Jonathan. They also accuse President Jonathan and the PDP of a gross incompetence and
unprecedented display of impunity.
Yes. Please, where are those prominent people now?
Today?
All right, many people see they talk, who say, waiting they remember. In fact, on top our Twitter, just sharply they go there, they drop all your matter.
All right.
No forget, say na our Twitter na at wazobia_FM. Na so the matter take be at wazobia_FM.
Who did here? We throw a salute.
Oh, good evening.
Evening, how you dey?
My name is Jewel.
Ajiwe.
From Ojota. Jewel.
Oh, I think you say Ajiwe. I want to say Ajiwe dey for Ajao.
Na police station.
So, I've been calling this number for.
Yeah, give an gagam.
Bagam there.
I beg, what your people are saying is true. But the only thing I want to tell you is that now the group of people belonging to West, they achieve their aim by removing luck.
The group of people belonging to West. West as how?
West. That's Yoruba.
Yeah.
Let me put it like that. They want to achieve their aim. They have achieved their aim. And they are not hiding themselves. Shame don't catch them. Shame don't catch them. That's why they are hiding themselves. Don't worry. And secondly, what is going on in this world now is what is in the Bible. Matthew chapter 24. If you read it from chapter 1 down, we see that's the whole thing that is happening. But also, God will save us from their hand. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, how market make you ask your neighbor? Wait day for 2014.
Good evening, guys.
Evening, this better evening.
My name is Dominic from Aja.
All right, Dominic from Aja, let's go.
The way I see, man. During that time, spaghetti, I've been seeing 120.
Spaghetti 120.
120, 100 naira.
All right.
Now spaghetti na 400.
400.
One spaghetti na 400.
Wait, I never understand. Spaghetti then na 100 naira for one carton or one sachet.
One sachet.
100 naira that time.
100 naira, 120. You get small one. You get the big one. The big one that time na 120. Then the small one na 100 naira. Now the small one wey we buy for here for Shagotedo. At 350. Then the big one na 400 naira.
All right, thank you. Person talk to say na 650 naira na in the buy kerosene per liter. So, say, as the matter be for your own side, this person now can say, in fact, say those people them wey be say them go that protest, say them no serious. But as the matter take be, we go sharply enter market so that when we come back, we go start them from where we stop. No touch the dial because this one na matter well. All right, nothing does you.
So now the real hunger show. Solid see people don't do our Twitter handle.
No be smart no. And this person come out now at Izu Importer and talk to say no matter how we protest reach, say these politicians then go still they do their mind oh. Say the thing no end for protest. Say now only Baba God na him go save us. All right, so at Chuku Raymond, he come out talk say everything about Nigeria today is very high. I could remember back then in 2014 when I used to buy 12.5 kg of cooking gas at the rate of 2,500. So those who help this government to get in power, in fact, is saying na them spoil this country. And this person now, himself talk Bishop into say, you the talk of protest, try it now. And the army plus including police go show you when. Say you no go even fit try it now.
So now I make those people know
yes,
they talk.
so say make them come out now. Yeah? Say now no be that now. Say even as things cost now. Now so protest safe now. Cost. Say protest now is very expensive and risky. All right. And this person now no come out to come talk to say, ha. Say even the thing no be for only poor people. Oh. Say vice president.
They carry power bank.
Say self. They carry power bank. That is to say,
right,
them myself, they do themselves. All right, oh. And His Royal Highness himself don't come and talk to say, na true, say the problem of we will be black people be say nobody want die. But hunger self, na him they kill us pass. But nobody will come out, make him get to injury. And in the talk, we say make all of us come together, say God go still help us. Na him we say for come laugh. This person say Tunde Bakari and the rest of the protesters save Nigerian group. How market you? All right. This person now say we they already in fact he say we they already pay through our market union. Say Tunde Bakari, where are you now? All right, oh. Good evening, Oga Expensive and Solid AC. Everything done red now. The rate at which things are increasing is alarming. In fact, who will save this situation now? Now be the question. Where will they go? Say everything has turned upside down. In fact, that is to say, price of things is buarigo. You understand? We Nigerians, we need to work on ourselves. Everything, in fact, is not about government. Engineer Bright from Ibeju. All right. This is you to come and say, good evening, Oga Expensive and Solid. In fact, in Eba, I bought kerosene 4 liters, 3,300. Formerly, now 700. Please, government should find solution. Mommy doctor, all the way from Eba. And this person now talk to say, good evening. Oga Expensive plus including Solid AC. A keg of water na 100 naira in my area. In fact, he said we have a member of the Lagos House of Assembly, Honorable Olu Muyiwa Wahid, where they live for their street. And before he relocated to Abuja, the borehole where he opened for only in family house, so now there where you open no other people, nothing for them. And be say people where they dig toilet then they try you. Commission toilet. Please, Oga expert, our elders should be using juju to swear before they enter government house. Say, now juju now no. Say, may they no use Bible again. All right. All Uchi from Adeniji. He say, good evening, Oga expensive and solid. I traveled to my village last month. We be taught. When I come back last Friday, one of my customers asked me to supply wire. And after where I go supply the wire for 80,000. Say, you no go believe, say I go market in 10,450 Naira. Na him, I go buy market where I supply. Even carry motor, take go give the person for 80,000. Me, I can't go buy 10,000. Say, who supply who now? Good evening, Oga expensive and solid. Let me carry the matter go my own side. If na 2014, person fit use 50,000 to start provision store. Now, 1 million naira no fit get you. In fact, the smallest counter, let alone say you see anything, say you won't put. Now, Lolo, Adazayon, na she come out, they talk that one. Oga expensive and solidacy to solve the problem of Nigeria. Some politicians need to. This one, na my darling, all the way from Obodo Ibo, Omolara Omo Torewa. Oh, Alongba Ikwe. Good evening, sir. In fact, I have to call my mom to confirm about the kerosene price. Oh, ha. She said before, na 70 when I left Nigeria, and the thing now don't bad so in fact, the price now, everybody they cry. She may God help us. Oh. All right. Protests don't cost, and we no fit afford them. Say we no even fit afford protests. Say the protest now, it don't cost well. All right. One person come out to talk to say, why people no go protest? Be say the place where then they protest before, now people where then go protest against, now then get them. And they can't talk to say, who go sponsor the protest now? Now he make, they see say, then they protest. And this person say, good evening.
Okay, but then they sponsor our protest and sponsor them.
And now waiting at the here, they say then they sponsor them according by the person from Ajegule. He say they sponsor them. Say now, who go come sponsor the protest? Say now people will protest that time. Now them arrange the protest. And moreover, how you go come protest for where, say, just like say you go protest for person house. That's so. Good evening, all. In fact, I came from Coca in 2014. He said him buy 1 horsepower submersible pump for 20,000. And I went to the market recently to buy the same 1 horsepower. To my own greatest surprise, they tell me say now 68,000 last. I shock. Nah, wow. All right, information minister. Just get ready because this person say, good evening, Oga expensive and solid AC. Before smallest pack of all this noodles, na 25, but now 100 naira last. If you know Greek, they say people when they say market, they beg again like and they beg say, customer, follow me by now. Say everywhere now in the supermarket, when they tell you price, they come out to face. Information. Oh yeah. Let's go there.
Yes, I don't come again with another one get information in case you didn't aware of it. This one they come from Praise Jam like this on the number 18th day of April for inside this year 2022. When me and you dey inside like this, Praise Jam gonna happen and now the resurrection and be the team for this one. Make I tell you, say they go give you, see, they don't arrange better gospel artists and singers. When we say they go give you all the better songs where you go like and your spirit is gonna be lifted high. Tim Godfrey go there talk about Alabi, Ben, Mike Abdul, BJ Sachs, Messi Chinwo, Ima, oh my God, Akpororo, and even Choma Jesus Sefe go there. We'll go host this one now, Kenny Black. And then I go tell you say to fee enter now 5,000 naira for regular, VIP 10,000 naira. And then if you feel sharply now as I talk like this, go coolfm.ng. You go fee buy the ticket for 3,000 naira. Venue for this one na Echo Convention Center. Time na 12 noon. That's na 12 in the afternoon. When it happen again na Easter Monday will be the number 18th day of April for inside the year 2022. So now a public holiday na be, so you no get excuse. So make you just carry yourself plus your Gbogbo family plus your enemy self carry and go Praise Jam. This event is certified by Lagos State Safety Commission. Praise Jam, no miss
All right, nothing does you. Make we still read our small message they go. This person come out to say, "Una ma to no go pay no now." Actually, one and expert. Do you know that Bajabi Amila came to Itire today and gave some women 20,000 each?
So I made them tell
Campaign
you
don't reach you. Hardship never teach us sense reach. Ask, he say you can verify. This na fact. And the name na OZ. Good evening, Oga. Expensive and solid is in Nigeria. Aye. A liter of diesel now na 660 naira. For pump price, no be black market. This diesel issue, in fact, he say no be small thing. Na elder from Elasa, na he come out to talk that one. Good evening. He say 2014, na they buy 1 cup of rice, 30 naira better now. The cup self, he say them beat am for bottom. Say the thing, be like Unkwobi pot. Say, now 150 now, no. Upon say it cost. And the cup self no even stay correct. Make we sharply enter market so that when we come back, we go come chook mouth on top. Those of una wey be say una dey our Twitter, just send your message direct to hashtag evening oyoyo and don't forget at wazobia_FM. Na him be our Coco Twitter and na so the matter take be. All right. Nothing does you. Africa, China don't talk and that time people say na hate speech. Ngwano, consider the consideration.